crystal clear at first glance, but problems can start building below the surface long before you ever see them. If your water isn't circulating and filtering properly, your pool could be headed for trouble.
Chlorine does a lot to make safe, clean, clear water. It sanitizes, it oxidizes, but it can't filter. And there are things that get in your water that cause cloudy water. Dirt, leaves, debris, and there are things that human being leaves behind in pools. Obviously, sunscreen's one of them. Oils off of our skin. If we can remove and trap things in your filter, it helps with the efficiency of your chlorine as well. Pool problems happen in stagnant water. So if your water isn't moving, it's not improving.
The longer your water moves, the more chances your filter has to trap dirt, oils, and debris. But here's the catch. If your pump isn't running long enough, contaminants can stay behind.
For a backyard pool, there's a rule of thumb, and that is you want to run your pool 1 hour for every 10 degrees rise in temperature. Getting water through the filter multiple times a day not only helps improve, obviously, the quality and clarity of your water, but it also helps keeping your water balanced. It removes things out of your water that affects the balance of water. But remember, happy water is moving water.
When it comes to pool maintenance, circulation is a must. And while there are a variety of different filter types, knowing when to clean them also matters.
There are 3 kinds of filters out there in the backyard. Sand filters, DE filters, and cartridge filters. And you clean them all a little bit differently, but what they do have in common is they'll tell you when it's time to clean it. So you gotta know what that clean starting pressure is on your pressure gauge. What is it when it's clean? Put a little mark on that. And when that needle on your pressure gauge reaches 10 psi over what it was when you know it's clean, it's telling you to backwash or clean that filter.
Circulation and sanitation each have their role, but keeping your pool clean, clear, and balanced is a joint effort.
A good chlorine, specialty chemicals, and circulation and filtration. That makes crystal clean, safe water. And that's important, right? That's the water you want to swim in. That's the water you want to show off.
For more pool tips, visit HASA's AI assistant at crystalpool.com. And if you've missed any part of the show, head to designspaces.tv. See you poolside.